Culinary Arts is about so much more than cooking. It's an artwork where preparation and presentation are just as important as taste. It takes a certain kind of person to work in the culinary industry. Are you that kind of person? Let's take a look at our Culinary Arts program and find out. If you can multitask, pay attention to detail, and have an appreciation for delicious food, you might be equipped to excel in the kitchen. Our program teaches you the basics from food prep all the way to choosing the perfect garnish. We learn food properties, knife skills, the fundamentals of common cooking and baking methods, as well as stocks, sauces, and to take a look at things from a kitchen management perspective, we also cover things like menu design and cost control. Students will be exposed to both business and foundational skills that will prepare them for success in a variety of culinary arts careers, focusing on various global cuisines. To encourage the different programs at PTC to work together, we also source fresh fruits, vegetables, and herbs from our in-house greenhouses managed by our horticulture program. People love good food. That's clear when you look at the growing number of celebrity chefs and TV channels devoted entirely to culinary arts. Not to mention, most people are starting to spend more money dining out than shopping for groceries. That means that opening your own restaurant or finding a job in one can lead to a lucrative career. To put it into numbers, the average head chef in Colorado makes nearly $73,000 a year, and aspiring pastry chefs can expect to make an average of nearly $60,000. If you're ready to get cooking, PTC's Culinary Arts program is for you.